Now, we want to switch between screens. There are different methods for this, one of them being the function keys you see there. Let's switch screens. I have got different screens here. For example, we have got screen 1 and for example again, we have got screen 2. And I have named these screens in order to understand which one is which. Alright, let's do something like this here. Let's try to switch screens using function keys. We want to use a function key as a switch key. So what do we do now? After pressing the function key, we will go to the properties section and I will select the symbol I would like to use. There are different switches and expressions of the software, and there are the ones I have added through my system. We will select among them. So, for example, when I press this, it will switch to the related screen. So, as a user, I can add symbols that would help me remember the functions and I can use them according to my needs. But I want to use the symbols there. Look, the switch will be like this. From Properties section, there is the Events section. And I will select the function keys function. What will this do? For that, I will define whatever I want it to do when I press the button. I will do something about switching screens. Look, I will go to the screen section and after selecting activate screen, which screen shall it switch to? We will select that. For example, I want it to switch to screen 1. When pressed, system will change it to screen 1. Let's save. When assigning a function to a key, it turns yellow. Let's try this and see what kind of process will take place. Let's click on Online and with Text Simulator. Let's press OK and let me open that so I can view the operator panel better. When I press that, it switched to screen 1. Now, let's close that one. Let's use a different method to switch between screens. This time, with this method, we will add a button there, and by pressing it, we will allow the switch between screens. We will try to switch between screens. Let's add this button and call it Screen Switch. Now, let me add that and enlarge it just a bit. I have to use this screen correctly. And let me bring it here. Now, I have to use my panel correctly. In the end, we are like painting a picture right now. If we paint it right, it will be more appealing to the eye. By selecting a screen switch, you can give color to this. Go to the Properties section and do it. Let's do it like this. Let's give a slight yellow to it. So we have managed the visual part. I'm in the makeup part. We are at the Events section. And when we press click or press, what shall it do? I will define that. I have clicked to add functions. And I want to use this for switching screens. Look, I have clicked on Activate Screen below Screens tab. You see the different explanations there, like previous screen. You see expressions like go to the numbered screen or go to previous screen. I have clicked on Activate Screen. Then I will select whichever screen I want to go. I have set it. Let's save. I will open my simulator from here and click on with Text Simulator. When I press the screen, it moved me to the screen 2. Just like that, you can switch between screens on the operator panel as you like. You can do it like this. I will see you in another application.